Dear friends, today is the Gaudit Sunday, Rejoicing Sunday. We hear John the Baptist in prison asking, "Are you the one who is to come, or should we look for another?" John's question is very powerful because he's the one who first recognized Jesus. But in his time of darkness, he's struggling with doubt. Jesus responds not with words but with actions. He heals, he restores, he brings good news to the poor. Jesus shows us that he is the fulfillment of God's promises, not in grand displays of power, but in the quiet, healing love of the kingdom of God. Jesus does not come as we expect. He does not come to meet our plans, but to save us. Sometimes, like John, we may question God's timing or presence, especially in our struggles. But the message of Gaudiya Sunday is this: rejoice, Christ is near. Even in our doubts, He brings joy, hope, and peace. This Advent, take time to rejoice in the quiet ways God is moving in your life. Be like John the Baptist. Recognize Him even in unexpected places. Have a nice and lovely Sunday.